Learn English with Word In. Today's sentences list. Sentence 1.
Have a meal twice.
Have a meal twice. Sentence 2.
Buy me a phone.
Buy me a phone. Sentence 3.
He talked while wearing a mask.
He talked while wearing a mask. Sentence 4.
I sneezed.
I sneezed. Sentence 5.
These are new renter.
These are new renter.